Here is a washer, a little rubber washer. Now I'm trying to get it out with an X-Acto knife. Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Digital Paul Workshop. It is me, that faucet that likes to drip in the middle of the night, Techno Meow Tinkerer. And this is going to be a fairly short video. I mean short as in it ought to be placed under the shorts instead of the standard video. But we're just going to go over how to take out the water restrictor of a shower head. Now I happen to purchase this shower head here simply, as you can see, from one of those little bin stores for $3. Not bad considering these things do go for some money in the store. And it's fun to hit the little bin stores. I says, I'm kind of wanting something like this, and for $3 I couldn't pass it up. But when I first hooked it up, it just felt like there was hardly any water coming out. I mean, I feel like I was out in a rainstorm that was more of mist than I was in an actual shower. And so, as we're going to see here, we're going to see how to take out the restrictor. Now, when I first got this shower, I didn't quite know what the restrictor was. I was actually thinking it was another piece, once we see here. But yeah, this little shower head, I mean, it has 3 settings, and I keep it on the middle for maximum coverage of water. But at first I thought the center of the blue things where the water went. But no, this little black ring here is a washer, a little rubber washer. Now I'm trying to get it out with an X-Acto knife, because I really don't have nothing that can fit other than this. I think I did try with tweezers a little later. But I'm not trying to cut it out, I'm trying to pull it out, because I wasn't quite sure yet, would it been too much water coming through if I needed to put it back in, or at least cut part of it and put it back in. And I had trouble trying to get it out with the knife. Then I come and try to grab a pair of tweezers, couldn't get the tweezers in between, but I ended up going back with the X-Acto knife, and I eventually did get it out. Now, like I said, I did not want to damage the ring. I just wanted to take it out just in case the water was too strong and I needed to put it back in, or at least cut it in half and put it back in, try that way. But as you can see, there's the vents for the water to flow through. And another thing is, if I didn't have to put the ring back in, I did not want to tear it up in case I never need it for another project. But that's just a simple way to remove this particular shower head's water restrictor. Now, results may vary depending upon the shower head and model, because it took me a while searching to find this particular type of water restrictor. I saw some other ones on YouTube, but they were not this one. So hopefully this is helpful for anybody who needs more pressure when they're taking a shower, especially some of you who works out in the yard, in construction, in nature. I know, because I've been out there. When you've worked, you want to come in and you want that water to take off that gunk. Where I've worked with paint, I've worked in dirt, I've worked in different things, and nothing like a good high pressure shower is helpful. Well, that's it for the video today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share the video if anybody you think may be interested in this stuff. Have a nice day.
Yeah.